Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA G21, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, and once it's open and visible, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this sound along with a little pop-up right here with share and edit option, and after like a couple seconds it disappears, as you just seen. Now that screenshot that we have just captured can be found in our Photos application. As you can see, it will show up right here. And now because I don't have, I think, any other photos, it just shows up as a screenshot and nothing else. But I think if you capture photos and some other stuff, it will give you options like photos, albums, and other stuff. And you can find it in an album called Screenshots, which will obviously contain every screenshot that I have captured over the time. But there we go, that's the screenshot that I have captured and also where you can find it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.